Maybe it'll feel more like a music store if someone asks me if I want to buy a Monster cable.
Lifetime warranty, man.
Alright, I'll think about it. I'll get you back to you.
Gold-plated.
Gold-plated, yeah. Gold sounds better, you know? So this is actually a new song that I wrote over the holiday break, and I have this odd habit when I'm home at my parents' place of just kind of like scrounging through their basement, and I was just kind of rooting through this, just looking for old stuff, and I saw a box that said 1976, and it was these really old photographs of like my family, and they just looked so otherworldly. They were so thick and just different, and I was just thinking about like just with technology now, just with children, you know, like everything is documented. I mean, you go on Facebook and you can see the last 3 weeks, like every day what's going on, which is beautiful. But it's just like, I don't know if I'm just getting older, but I just feel like we didn't exist back then. I don't know. So anyway, this song is, Did We Exist Back in 1976? Our days can neatly be tucked away in a little space. Gently, they wish for your hands to lament thee. But change is clear soon as you adjust the need. New capes, no more towels with safety pins that break. Doomsday, we play with our swords made of wood planks. I spin and fall, you got me good. Did we exist in 1976? Softly we fade into a junkyard full of shades, into a winter school break, a loose lip shade of gray. New shapes, these circles and squares, they don't translate. Grandma's plates, quit fussing with your brother, you better sit up straight. We all slept through the best days, you know they dance away. But there's proof here, I know it 'cause it's hidden in that green chair. It's in Dad's car, the yellow one with Mom sitting low down. They look too young, their coats undone. In 1976, softly we fade into a barnyard of the brave, into a vinyl suitcase too heavy not to break. Did we exist, or were we just something to miss? Softly we fade into a portrait packed away, into a loose lip shade of gray, a painting of praise. In 1976. exciting.